Brain training builds long-term cognitive strength. You challenge thinking with new skills. You protect memory with daily learning. You support focus by reducing stress. These choices improve mental clarity and decision-making.
Learning new skills stimulates neural pathways. Daily study forms stronger connections. Mental effort supports long-term brain resilience. Simple practices help cognitive performance, and consistent challenge keeps thinking steady. Exploring unfamiliar topics keeps the mind alert. Reading new material introduces fresh information. Changing routines strengthens thinking speed. Mental variety supports long-term brain development.
Navigating new environments exercises spatial awareness. With every turn, you're building orientation skills through active exploration. Even small daily challenges like this strengthen memory, and these simple habits add up, helping to protect your mental sharpness.
Meditation trains concentration. Controlled breathing supports emotional balance. This routine builds mental strength. Regular practice reduces stress and improves clarity.
Puzzles stimulate problem-solving circuits. Detailed tasks build sustained focus. Small mental workouts improve cognitive stamina. Consistency drives improvement.
Flowers. Trying unfamiliar foods challenges sensory processing. Learning cooking steps sharpens short-term memory. These routines support cognitive flexibility. In the kitchen, every new ingredient is a chance to explore, to adapt, and to grow.
Drawing activates visual recognition. Creative tasks build fine motor control. Regular practice boosts mental clarity. New activities refresh the mind.
Music training strengthens memory formation. Coordinated movements support brain balance. Daily practice builds cognitive endurance.
Plays. New physical skills challenge both body and mind. Movement variety builds neural strength. Learning unfamiliar actions supports long-term mental function.
Advantages. Lung capacity improves with consistent aerobic activity. Oxygen flow supports energy levels. Daily movement helps maintain breathing efficiency.
Needs. Outdoor activity enhances lung performance. Steady breathing supplies oxygen more effectively. Routine movement protects long-term respiratory health.
Diaphragmatic breathing strengthens respiratory control. You increase airflow with slow breaths. This method improves lung function and supports calmness.
Breath counting improves lung rhythm. Controlled airflow supports endurance. These habits maintain stable breathing capacity through age. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Let the numbers steady your lungs.
Slow, deep breaths expand lung volume. Regular sessions strengthen respiratory muscles. This simple routine boosts daily energy. Breathe to begin your day.
Rhythmic breathing increases oxygen intake. Rhythmic breathing supports physical stamina. This pattern strengthens lung function naturally. Androgen cycling promotes efficient airflow. Consistent aerobic effort improves respiratory longevity. A controlled pace protects breathing strength. Ride steady. Let every breath work for you.
Simple devices help measure lung effort. Structured practice supports respiratory control. These tools guide healthier breathing.
Recovery time supports lung repair. Rest allows breathing muscles to stay strong. Balanced routines protect long-term function.
Combined movement and breathing enhances capacity. Gentle stretches open the chest. This routine maintains lung flexibility.
Wrist mobility prevents stiffness. Controlled rotations warm the supporting muscles. This preparation reduces discomfort and improves grip.
Wrist extension builds flexibility. Forearm muscles support joint stability. Small daily stretches protect against strain.
Wrist flexion strengthens key muscles. Light resistance improves control. Routine practice enhances movement safety. Wrist flexion strengthens key muscles. Light resistance improves control. Routine practice enhances movement safety.
Balanced placement reduces stress on wrist joints. Controlled support strengthens stabilizing tissues. Practice builds functional strength.
Extend grip training builds hand stability. Stronger muscles support daily wrist tasks. Simple tools improve long-term comfort.
Active warm-ups protect wrists during impact sports. Stable joints improve performance. Consistent routines reduce injury risk.
Correct wrist angles prevent strain. Strong tendons improve lifting stability. Alignment supports safer technique.
Relaxation releases tight muscles. Loose wrist movements restore comfort. This quick reset prevents stiffness.
Tracking range of motion provides awareness. Gentle movement supports balanced strength. Daily checks help prevent issues.
Toe mobility ensures balanced walking. Point and flex movements build strength. Consistent practice prevents stiffness.
Toe extensions support foot flexibility. Strong toes improve posture. Daily training enhances movement quality.
Natural toe spreads strengthen small foot muscles. This practice improves balance. Regular repetition keeps feet flexible.
Smooth. Foot rolling reduces tension. This simple method eases stiffness. Daily care supports steady walking.
Engage the toes as you draw the heel in. Flexing here deepens the quad stretch and fires up the small muscles that support your arch. When your feet are strong, the whole body moves better. Balanced.
Ankle circles enhance joint control. Toe engagement increases stability. Combined practice reduces risk of strain. Smooth, precise, and just a few minutes a day, your ankles will thank you.
Morning stretches reduce stiffness. Gentle movement supports comfort. Consistent care protects foot mobility.
Movements. Resistance bands build foot strength. Targeted movements support arch control. Routine training improves daily stability. Lifts. Toe lifts activate important stabilizers. Barefoot work enhances awareness. Regular effort supports long-term comfort.
Range. Monitoring toe range helps track progress. Gentle adjustments maintain flexibility. Awareness supports healthy feet.